Hello guys! Hello comprehensions! Welcome to our educational vlog. I am Maria Empress Itang.
I am Ashley Conrado.
I am Rian May Alcobindas.
I am Jobert Andales.
Today we're going to explore the world of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century.
That's right, multimedia and information and technology, or ICT, have transformed how we learn, work, and connect with each other.
Let's start by defining what multimedia and ICT really are. So first, what is multimedia?
Multimedia is a combination of text, images, video, audio, and animation to create engaging content.
How about the ICT?
ICT refers to technology that provides information through telecommunication like internet, computer, and mobile devices.
Multimedia and ICT has a lot of benefits. One major benefit of multimedia and ICT is enhanced learning. Students can access interactive lessons, videos, and
Exactly. Plus, ICT enables distance learning, allowing students from anywhere in the world to attend online classes. This is especially important in today's global environment.
Another benefits of improved communication, social media, emails, video calls help us to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues instantly.
And don't forget business and vision. Multimedia and ICT tools can help companies create better marketing, streamline operation, and develop new products.
So, to sum it up, multimedia and ICT are essentials in the 21st century because they improve education, communication, and business.
They make information accessible and learning more fun.
They connect people across the globe and never did before.
And they drive innovation that shapes our future.
Thanks for watching!
Please like.
Share
And subscribe.
for more educational content.
See you next time.
time.